in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Strava is taking too long to respond error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're told to try again later and you've tried but nothing seems to work, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your Strava app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to fix this, you need to go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps. Here it is. Tap on it and this will take you to the apps page where you should see this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app by name and then tap on it to open. Now from here, go to force stop and OK, and then go to clear data and clear cache and finally OK. Then go to clear all data and OK. Now restart your smartphone and make sure you're connected to a stable and steady internet before you can open your app. You also want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN, as this might be causing these delays. However, if the problem still persists, then you want to check and see if we have any update by going to Google Play Store or App Store and then tap on your app and update it to the latest version. However, if this still fails, then most likely Strava might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait and see if it works after some few minutes. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.